What is the best way to create this kind of opening in Revit with a profilation like this? So first of all, I will suggest you to create it as a family, and we need to pick a proper template. So in this case, I'm gonna take metric door template. So why I'm doing that is because this is actually door opening. So how can I adjust it? You will see straight away. Just before we move to the topic, are you ready to take your Revit skills to the next level and support the creation of high quality tutorials? For only $115 per year, you can become a premium member of our community and enjoy Revit beginner course, one-on-one hour call with me, monthly mini projects and workshops, ad-free YouTube tutorials and its project files, tips and tricks classroom, plus live events recordings from our free group. Prefer a monthly plan? For only $12 per month, you will get full community access, ad-free YouTube tutorials, tips and tricks, live event recordings. Keep in mind that after 8 months of monthly subscription, you will open one-on-one hour call with me. After 10 months, you will open Revit beginner course, and after 12 months, access to all mini courses or workshops. Join us today. Lock on $12 per month lifetime and be the part of premium community that supports your growth while helping us create even better content. Together, we can achieve more. The access link is in a video description. So first of all, I will just create this 3D view here, and I'm gonna delete those trims, and then I will also open here exterior view. So in exterior view, I don't need those symbol lines for opening. And what I need to do, actually, the first thing I need to do is to adjust our opening. So I don't want to have this rectangular opening. I would like to have rounded opening. So how can I do that? Just hover the mouse over this opening, hit tap on a keyboard, and then you will see in the bottom left corner opening cut. Select that one, then go to edit sketch, take arc tool, and then create arc. Here, like this, I can lock tangents, and then I can delete this line. So when I click OK, and when I go to 3D, you see how our opening look like right now. And just before I move forward, I will suggest you to go here to the family types, and then we can just see how it's gonna work if I change some dimensions. So you see that everything works well. Let's make it like this. So I will just bring everything back, and then I will go to exterior view, and I'm going to create our profilations. So as you can see here, in this case, I'm gonna take sweep tool. The reason is because we have this profile, and then that profile goes along this opening. And what you will also see here is how I'm going to adjust the parameters for this opening. So you can see that I can control its width. I can also control how much this sticks out. And the first thing will be to go to create, sweep, and then sketch path. And in this case, I need to sketch it on a correct reference plane. But I will just go and do, because I would like to be sure on which reference plane I need to sketch that one. So I will just hover the mouse here or select this one. And then you see the name of this one is exterior of this reference plane. So let's go to exterior. Let's go to create, sweep, and then sketch path. And now I will go here to the set. So, okay, the reference plane is correct. And then I will take pick lines. So I'm gonna pick it here, lock it, pick this one, lock it, and then I'm gonna pick this one. Then I can just take trim tool, and I will also trim those two. Confirm this path, and let's go to plan view, let's go to edit profile, and in this case I need to draw profile. So I will first create it here. I'm gonna lock it, and then I'm gonna, let's say, I'm gonna draw it like this, maybe something like this, totally random but rectangular. And I will take trim tool. Then while I'm in this creation mode, I will go here to annotate, and then I'm gonna go to align dimensions, and I'm gonna place couple of dimensions. And then first one, I will select, and then I'm gonna create parameter for that one, and that parameter I'm gonna name as, let's say, as profile width. Then this one is going to be, let's say, this is exterior side. Okay, this one is going to be named as, let's say, offset exterior, and then this one is going to be named as offset interior. Let's confirm this one, and then let's go to 3D so you see how it looks like. And in this case, the first thing I would like to check will be if everything works well. So first of all, I will go here, and then I will adjust parameters for our profile, and I will just this profile width lift up at the top. So I will make this to be 50. Then offset exterior, let's say 50, offset interior 50. Let's hit apply so you see that it works. And let's make everything 100. So this works. Let's make it 40, and then offset for 60, or 40 everywhere. And then I can also make this to be, let's try it now if it's going to work. If I make this 1.5 meters, the height works. Let's make it 2.25, 125 in a width. So everything follows. So I can just make it 1 by 2 meters. And then I'm gonna make a new type out of this one. So this type is going to be 1000 by 2000. Then hit apply. I can also go and duplicate, for example, and I can make 125 by 2.5 meters. So for this one, I can just make 2.5, 125. And then now if I just go to the type name and bring the other type back and hit apply, you will see that the dimensions are changing. So it means that in one family, we have two different types. So I can just click OK. And then you see that the name of the family is family 1. I will always suggest you to save it. I will do that at the end of this tutorial. And right now I will just go to the file project, and then I'm gonna create a new project. So in that new project, I'm gonna create one wall, and then I'm gonna go to our family, and I'm gonna load this family into the project. So I can just place a couple of them randomly. Let's create a 3D view here, and then you see how our door opening look like. And by the way, if I select this one, and then if I go here, you will see under family 1 we have two different types. So I can just make it this way. And of course, if you would like to, let's say, create a new type, you can anytime go here to the edit type, duplicate, and we can make, let's say, 1.1 by 1.1 meters. And then let's change this one. So here it comes, and I think this is quite simple and useful. I just need to add one more thing I forgot, and I will suggest you to do that. So that's not to add material inside a family. Actually, I will suggest you to create material parameters. So select our sweep, then go to material, and then you will see this small box here, associate family parameter, and then name this as a profile material. Let's click OK, and then load this back into the project, override this one. So I can just right now go to realistic, for example, and then let's see, I can maybe just for a wall, let's see which material we have. I can just for wall add something white so we can see things better. Let's this clad white. But then I'm gonna select our profilation, and let's say that I will for a profile material add this copper, and it's been assigned only to those types. So you see, if I select this one, I can add different material. Of course, we can change this to the instance material if needed later on, but like in this case, we are adding this for different types. And why is better to add it as a parameter in a family? The reason is, as you saw, because we can anytime within a click add material in our Revit project instead of going back to the family and changing it all the times in a family and then loading back family and overriding in a project. If you would like to level up your Revit skills, just watch this tutorial and keep in mind that we also have a free Revit community and training. The access link is in a video description.